Here's your starter controller for your gas engine. I'll explain what I've got hooked up here. This is a power supply, so that would be your 2-cell battery. It feeds the controller. This is a servo tester, so that would be your receiver. When I rotate this knob, that'll be the push button on your transmitter for running the starter. Got a voltmeter here. It's connected to the glow plug wires, so it's going to say about 1.5 volts when the starter motor is running. The starter motor connects to these wires. I've just got an LED in there to indicate that the power's coming on. So as I move the channel, I don't know if you can see this little meter here. It'll show you the servo signal changing. Anyway, I turn it and it fires up. Oh yeah, this is just an extra LED I added so you know when the circuit's active. So you can see the motor's powered up, and you can see that the glow plug is getting power as well, until such time as you release the button on your 2-position channel.